What's up guys and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. There have been some interesting updates from the VRA team today. So this is post number 3 of the day, guys. We need to be keeping a close eye on the updates from all of the coins that we do hold. Now, before we get into exactly what VRA has announced today, make sure that all of you watching the video, you've paused the video, you've destroyed that like button, and number 2, you've destroyed that subscribe button. Let's get it. Emotional roller coaster, guys. It's been an emotional roller coaster for many investors. And I say that because I've seen it on my timeline. I've seen it in the private group. I've seen it in the comments as well. People getting quite upset with the fact that their coin's not just going straight to the moon. And I want to remind all of you guys that is not how it works. We need to have pullbacks for continuation. It is healthy, it is part of the market, and it will allow money flow into our alts. Now Bitcoin is sitting at 68,000. Ethereum has dropped down from 4k to 3.6k, and you're starting to see all of our alts pick up some of that money flow. One of you lovely people on X actually added me in this tweet earlier, and this tells me that VRA is doing the right thing by its token holders. And what is it actually doing? Now, VRA has voluntarily delisted from exchanges which do not provide proof of reserve data on CoinMarketCap. Now, what does that mean for you guys? What does proof of reserve data mean? It means that if they say they've got 1 billion in holdings, they've got 1 billion in holdings, okay? A lot of exchanges, they will say they have a certain amount in their reserves, but they don't. And they say these things because if everybody decided that they wanted to remove all of their crypto from that exchange, the exchange would go bust and they wouldn't be able to pay everyone out. So when these exchanges don't want to show their proof of reserve, it is kind of a telltale to say that maybe they don't have enough money on that exchange to be paying out for the amount of crypto that they are giving you guys. And remember, if you keep your crypto on an exchange, it is not your crypto. They have full control over your crypto. They can shut your account down whenever they want. You are not in control of it. Remember that. That is why all of you guys need a hardware wallet or a cold storage. And again, link in the description. You don't have to use my link, use whatever you want, but I've got a link for ledgers and I use the Ledger Nano X. Where is it? I don't know. In the safety deposit box, but I use a Ledger Nano X with the app. Now Verasity will begin the process of voluntarily delisting their token VRA from a small number of centralized exchanges which do not disclose reserve data and do not achieve a high confidence indicator score green on CoinMarketCap. And the impact on Veracity's trading volume is insignificant, but this step will avoid any potential future negative consequences to VRA holders. Now everybody who's like, the VRA team's crap and they're not doing anything and why is the price not going up, everything else is pumping, guys, this is positive. This shows that they want their coin and they want their project to be here for the long term. They're not just here to get a quick cash grab over 1 or 2 bull runs. They want this project to be a long-term project. And like I've covered in this video many times, I'm sure you guys see my face whenever you type in VRA on YouTube, you're probably sick of my face. You want to see someone else, but it just shows that they care about you guys and they don't want any more sort of negative sentiment from the community if they can control that. Now, for all of you guys wondering, what are the exchanges that have been delisted or that VRA have delisted? It goes as follows: LA Token, Novadax, BitHum, Ascendex, Cryptology, L Bank, Novadax, Probit Global, Poloniex, BitTrue. Guys, you can read it all here. I don't need to read 16 exchanges to you. Do any of you guys use these exchanges? Because if you do use these exchanges and you have other options where they do show their proof of reserve, then it may be an idea to probably switch your crypto to an exchange that has proof of reserve or just the hardware wallet like we said in the beginning. Now, most of these exchanges I've never really used. I mean, I've used L Bank a little bit, I've used Poloniex a little bit, BitTrue kinda, but I don't really like to keep my crypto on exchanges. And again, VRA is available to be held in a ledger, guys. So you need to be making sure that you are in control. If you've got hundreds of thousands of VRA, the last thing that you want is for it to go up to like 15, 20, 30 cents. And you know, you're in the tens of thousands at this point, and then you can't withdraw it, right? They have the power to cancel withdrawals, guys. Now, with that being said, VRA still on Saturday's top tweeted coins. We're always around here, guys. We're always in this top 10, whether it be the good reasons or the bad reasons. But VRA community, all of you guys are killing it. And again, if you've made it this far so far and you're new to the channel, maybe you've seen me before and you're not subscribed, go and do that now. But VRA, we are maintaining strength in a world of the AI pumps at the moment. And you can see here with crypto bubbles, everything AI / meme-ish is pumping today, guys. I mean, you've got GRT, Render, FET, Ajax, all of these coins that we have in the private members club that we've been getting, and we're 100% up right now, like plus. They're all pumping, okay? And VRA will have its time. And the last thing you want is to have these extreme gains and these green days, and VRA is one of the top crypto bubbles of the day, and then you guys can't remove it. Remove the risk, guys. There's no need to have extra risk. And again, you're starting to see some telltale signs that VRA is gonna start to heat up soon. Look, nice Sunday evening pump. We're back at 1.2 cents. Even at 1 cent, we're still up. So when you're seeing these people coming in fudding saying VRA is down, they probably bought VRA when it was at like 1.8 cents or whatever it was last week or the week before, right? So we have to make sure that we're getting good entries and we're not FOMOing into these pumps. If we get pullbacks, then we need to be taking action. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a key level of interest for a VRA pullback that may or may not come. And you guys can decide whether or not you'll be buying at that level. And then something I saw here was actually pretty cool. How do you guys allocate your portfolio? Because VRA is in the portfolio allocation. And again, we have so many different portfolios in the private members club. So go and check that out. But look, distributed computing, AI, gaming, real world assets, layer 1, privacy. So how much you allocate into each sector? Let me know in the comments. And now before we do get into our trading view, I'm seeing a lot of people moaning about the VRA price. Yet it is still above 1 cent when BTC has had a profit sell-off due to a new all-time high. You also have to remember that the last bull run, many people bought BTC at 60k, so it kind of makes sense that we have these pullbacks around this level. We was expecting it. Come on, legends, look at the bigger picture. We're going to open this chart up here. Look where we are. W, double bottom pattern, and we are breaking out of this massive descending resistance. Again, this is only on the hourly, so you don't want to get too zoomed into the chart, but could this be a precursor to us having a next leg up? You let me know in the comments. Now we come to trading view, guys, and we are 13% up for the day. Let's get it. We're still at over 1 cent, guys, and let's remind you where we were getting VRA from. We were getting VRA at a highest entry. We're still up 100%. Okay, now we did have a breakdown of this pennant, and I was expecting either we recapture this level at just under 1 cent or we fill the wick. Okay, if either of these come, I'll be loading up here and I'll be loading up here. But again, we may not get it because look at today's daily candle. If we close this candle above this level here, which is going to be above 1.265, is it? Let's have a look. Yeah, 1.265, then that's a bullish engulfing candle, and it could be a precursor to say this was a little bear trap and we are going to be trying to recapture that 1.8 cent level. And remember, this is the daily, guys. This is the daily, so we're still quite zoomed in and we've still got a long way to go. We were in a 388-day consolidation, guys, and we're just at the start of the breakout. So this move is minuscule. If you're looking at some other coins, they're already trying to retest the all-time high, and we're not even there yet. We're about halfway there. So is VRA going to print a new all-time high this year? Are we going to just blow through it? How high do you guys think we're going to go? Let me know. But we've already got our don't be greedy zone all the way up to 28, about 30 cents, guys. Okay, do you think we're going to be blowing past it? Do you think we're not even going to reach this level? Let me know in the comments. But that's it. It's just a quick VRA update for all of you guys. We don't need to be worrying. VRA, they're proving that they care about you guys. They're proving that they care about the community, and none of you guys should be worried about trying to lose your VRA stack at this point in the market. We don't need to be playing catch up or juggling bags. We need to just be holding on right now, and all of us who do hold on will be rewarded at the end of this cycle. Let me know what you think of VRA in the comments. Until next time, it's been Will X Money. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.